Hi friends, today we will discuss about the pneumonia. Uh, in today's world, this is the common disease that is occurring due to the COVID-19 virus. So it is the most important diseases we are going to learn now. So this is the trachea, these are the lungs, this is the right lung, this is of 3 lobes, and this is the left lung, this is of 2 lobes. This is the bronchioles, and these are the bronchioles, and these are the alveoli. These are the alveoli. Through the gas exchange takes place. We have seen the diagram of the lungs. Now we will focus on the alveoli. Suppose this is the alveoli. There are millions of alveoli in the lungs, and this is the blood vessels. These are the lung tissues. Here the gas exchange takes place, that is the exchange of O2 and CO2. O2 and CO2 takes place. So now because of infection, bacterial or viral, there is the inflammation process takes place. If there is any infection or infection in the body responds to it through the process of inflammation, as we know. So there is the accumulation of fluid in the alveoli. So now we will focus on the lungs again. These are the trachea, these are the lungs, these are the bronchioles, and suppose these are the alveoli. So there is the blockage. Because of the fluid, accumulation of the fluid. So gas exchange does not occur. So that means the patient will be having symptoms like shortness of breath, cough, and so the causes mostly are the bacterial causes and the virus. In today's world, that is the most common COVID-19 virus. It mainly causes the pneumonia. So the types are also there. Now we will focus on the types of the pneumonia. Types. The pneumonia mostly occur due to bacteria and viruses. In community, when bacteria and viruses, when it is inhaled through the through our nose, then in community it is known as community acquired pneumonia. This is the first type of pneumonia. And when the patient is intubated, first we will write the name, ventilator associated pneumonia. When the patient is intubated, so the tube which is inside the trachea, through the tube, when the bacteria and viruses goes inside, suppose this is the bacteria and this is the virus, it goes inside the lungs through the that tube when the patient is intubated. So it is called as the ventilator associated pneumonia. So these are the types of pneumonia. Now we will focus on the diagnosis of the pneumonia. These are the chest X-ray. The first one is the chest X-ray. The second one is the blood test, that is the routine blood tests, that is the CBC and other blood tests. And third one is the pulse oximetry, that is the saturation test, and the presence of oxygen in the blood can be estimated by that. And the last one is the sputum test, through which we can diagnose the pneumonia. And lastly, there are the treatment of the pneumonia. So first we will prescribe antibiotics to the patient. Second, there are the antipyretics. So thank you guys. Hope this video you will find useful. Thanks a lot.